In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for Acuity scheduling. Let's face it, managing appointments can be a real hassle, especially as your business grows. That's where Acuity scheduling enters the picture, easing the booking process for you and your clients. But first things first, how do you get started by making your first payment? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's go through the process step by step. Begin by navigating to the Acuity scheduling website. Once you're there, look for the login button. Clicking on this will take you one step closer to streamlining your booking process. After clicking on Login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type it in accurately to ensure a smooth process. Then you will see a Next button appear. Click on it to proceed. The website will then offer an option to continue with Google. This is a convenient feature for those who prefer to link their existing Google account for a quick sign-in process. Upon selecting Continue with Google, you'll be presented with a list of your Google accounts. Choose the one you'd like to link with Acuity scheduling. This step simplifies the login process, making it faster for you to access your scheduling dashboard in the future. Now, navigating through the interface to find your dashboard might seem daunting, but it's quite straightforward. Look for a link to the dashboard, likely present in the upper part of the web page or within a menu. The dashboard is your command center where you'll manage bookings, client information, and importantly, payments. Inside your dashboard, there's a crucial link labeled Scheduling Page Link. This takes you to your personal scheduling page on Acuity, the heart of where the magic happens. Click on this link to proceed. Upon arriving at your scheduling page, you'll see various options and features Acuity offers. Focus on finding and clicking on the Book button. This action is essentially what your clients will perform when they decide to use your services. Following the booking action, you'll be prompted to fill up the details necessary for the appointment. This includes client information, service selection, and any other specifics relevant to ensuring a smooth booking experience. After providing the required details, the next step is to reserve a date and time for your service. This calendar-based feature allows you to specify the exact timing for your appointments, enabling both you and your client to synchronize expectations. With the service and timing nailed down, it's time to move on to payment. Look for a Pay Now button, which will lead you to the next crucial step in the booking process. Clicking on Pay Now takes you to a secure payment gateway. Here you'll be asked to log in to your chosen payment method. This could involve entering credit card details, PayPal information, or any other payment service you've integrated with Acuity scheduling. Finishing up the payment process might involve a few more simple steps, such as confirming the amount and finalizing the transaction details. Once completed, you're all set. You've successfully navigated through the process of paying for Acuity scheduling. A couple of tips to keep in mind. Always ensure your browser is updated to the latest version for a smooth experience, and check your internet connection to prevent any disruptions during the payment process. Acuity scheduling is more than just a booking tool. It's a way to professionalize your service, offer convenience to your clients, and manage your appointments efficiently. By following these steps, you are well on your way to leveraging a powerful tool that can contribute significantly to the success of your business. Remember, should you encounter any challenges along the way, Acuity's support team is just a message away, ready to assist you in troubleshooting any issues. That's it for today's guide on how to pay for Acuity scheduling. Whether you're new to online scheduling or looking to optimize your existing process, I hope this video has been helpful. For more tutorials and tips on making the most of digital tools for your business, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.